our Lord Jesus Christ. At the time he was betrayed, he entered willingly into his passion. He took bread and gave you thanks, broke it, and gave it to his disciples, saying, "Take this, all of you, and eat of it, for this is my body, which will be given up for you." In similar way, the supper was ended, took the chalice, and once more gave you thanks, he gave it to his disciples, saying, "Take this, all of you, and drink from it, for this is the chalice of my blood, the blood of the new and eternal covenant, which will be poured out for you and for me, for the forgiveness of sins. Do this in memory of me."